Hi. My outline today is about famous people. My main topic is their life. Uh, why did I choose this topic? I chose this topic for three different reasons: their life, their feelings, and their surrounding. Their life could be changed because of their popularity. Uh, for example, they could have an awful life, and because their popularity, they got famous. Uh, they got better in their life. And also feelings. Some people feelings get changed because of their popularity. And that also changes their surrounding. You could have your friend, and if you got popular, you sort of sometimes lose those friends of you feeling better than them or something. Uh, you can get famous in a lot of different ways. For example, social media, TV, and newspaper. Well, everyone changes how you get popular, but yeah, social media could mean like if you are a model, a movie maker, a director. It's awesome to be in social media things. But if you are a news director or something, TV and newspaper is more like that thing. Uh, and sometimes there are famous people sacrifices something. For example, quality time, personal life, and danger. Quality time, uh, like their normal life. Uh, they could for example, you could have a like you wouldn't have that quality time that you used to have, like sitting alone watching a movie, or like talking with your family as much, or like spending a good quality time. And also their personal life could be changed because of them getting popular and famous. Uh, when you get popular, you don't necessarily have that much personal life anymore. Everyone is following you and stuff. Like you can't stay in an hotel room without anyone knowing you because you're famous. And that's also bring a danger with it. Uh, some people might want to harm you. Uh, well, my people don't mean it, but you're still in danger because of it. Like people can track you easily because you're famous and stuff. What is the pros? Well, the pros is just money and performance in total. I mean, like you could be poor when you started, like you don't have a lot of that money when you started, and with time you build your life, and that gives you more opportunity to work with more famous people, and that brings you to being loved. Uh, and that gives you more money. Or if you're a model or in some type, that also can change your performance. Like if you're a bodybuilder performer, in social media, uh, it will change your performance because now there's more people watching you, means that you will maybe train more for it. Uh, it could make you perform more or sometimes less. Like you sometimes get anxiety and you don't exactly feel good when you perform something. Well, those are the pros, but the cons are the most important because you might get hate and that's a common thing in famous people. Like, there's a lot of people hating them. Well, sometimes you deserve getting hate. Maybe if you're a bad rapper or if you got bad reputation, you will get hate from everywhere. It's easy to forget it. Like, it's easy to pass through it and not see it. But it, when it gets more and more, maybe it will affect you and your life. And also, family could be one of the cons. Like, you also, when you get famous, you put your own family in danger too. Even though like they might do not know them, but the internet is wild. So, like, in some way they will know them, and maybe they're like, maybe they will put them also in danger to, like, just maybe some crazy fans just to get one picture with you or something. So they like do a whole crazy thing to your family maybe. And getting bullied or being the one who's bullying, like, you can get famous of you bullying another famous people. That's actually a really popular way to get famous. I saw so many people getting famous this way. Or you can actually get bullied. Let's say you have issues with your face. You don't exactly look right. People will make fun of you on the internet, and that maybe will affect you, and you will feel bad, and sometimes even think of suicide. It changes from person to person, but definitely a problem to point at. That is my outline as a whole. Thank you for listening. See you next time.